And then we go to the most interesting part. First of all, you have to set up your funds, the best offer from someone else to buy it back. Did you download or have a look in our spreadsheet of the last session? If yes, then write spreadsheet into the comments or into the chat window. If you have had a look in our spreadsheet of yesterday, of the last session, or you didn't download it, you didn't look at it, you have questions about it, then write into the chat or in the comments question. Welcome to this session. Welcome to Invest Yourself to Freedom with a Pie. This is our 5-day challenge. Today we are on the last day, and let me give you a short recap of the last session that we had. Then we will run over all the links that you need, that you have covered so far, and then we go to the most interesting part. We will set up our pie. We will open up a pie, and we will invest some money into our pie using the demo account of Train 212. So let's go into the repetition mode. But first, before we can start, our disclaimer to tell you that we are no financial advisors. We do not provide any advice. We only share our own experience, and our results are untypical. And if we mention any stocks, crypto, investment opportunities, whatever, it's just for illustrational and educational purposes. And if you would like to achieve similar results to ours, you have to commit to learn and to hold yourself accountable. And now we're coming to the most important part for you. And this is to repeat things, to set up everything, and to set up you in making money, to set up you in letting your money work for you, instead you for working for money. So repetition within 24 hours raises your retention by 85%. And that's why we are just quickly running through what we covered in the last session. So we had a deeper look into a company. This is Finvest. This is the software that we took a research on. We have here Bio, for example, BioRed Laboratories. I'm opening up Guru Focus. Sometimes you have to reload before that works. So again, Bio, summary, and now here we got it. So BioRed Laboratories, debt to equity 0.02. So the numbers are great. We're seeing a lot of green. That's basically good. Then we had a look on the company description, which is right below here. It's really on the lower side. So but the business description. And there you also have always the website. So if you want to do more research on this company, on their products, then you are just going to their website, confirm to leave Guru Focus, go to the website, open it up, and then you can investigate that company, have a deeper look in it. When was it founded, for example? And then you are fine with investigating the company, and you may find a company that you would like to invest in. Then we had a deeper look into, we had an overview of Trading 212 yesterday. We will do that after the spreadsheet, because the spreadsheet was the last thing of yesterday's investigation, of yesterday's last session. And I will just bring it up again. So this is the spreadsheet. Here you have your income, so your monthly income, if you're an entrepreneur or a business, if you have a business, if you're owning a business, then you put in the number of money that you have available on a monthly basis in total. So for yourself, for example, or for the company, it depends on who should invest the money. It's absolutely legit that the company is investing money. So if you decide the company should invest money, then put in here the overall profits of the company on a monthly basis, estimated. So if you don't, I know you're a business, as a business owner or entrepreneur, you never know what exactly is left after the month. just estimate it based on the past. And if you are earning income from another source, from a company, from your employer, then just put in the amount of money that you have available on a monthly basis. Choose the amount of that sum that you want to invest, and based for the PCA strategy, so for the PCA investments, we need a price that's above this and it's below that. So if the price is going up higher, we're investing less. If it's going lower, we're investing more. And the variation of that based on your basic price, and as we see, the basic price here is 75. This is equals 3%, and 25% higher is 39, and 25% lower is 56. So this has to be set up just once, and it just tells us what we have to do in the upcoming months. Then we have set up our first line here. That this is something we do after we have set up our pie, and so we will set up the pie in a second. And what else do we have here? Yeah, we want to provide you a link collection. So here, a link collection for you for all the links that we have had so far in the 5-day challenge. The first one is to open a Trading 212 account. Use this link. Then for the second, if you have troubles opening an account, we have created a video for you running through the whole process of opening an account. Then we have our spreadsheet, our log that you will need to manage your investments on a regular basis. Do some research on finvest.com or gurufocus.com to find a company that's suitable for investing for you. And you can watch also our YouTube channel, where we'll post stuff, where we'll go online once a week for now, and we will have an update, a look on our investment pie, and you will be able to follow the performance of our pie. And if you have any questions, go to clientcare@kaching.net. So you're welcome to make a screenshot of the link list. So do that now. I give you a few seconds for that. If you want to get all the links together, if you want to be in our community, if you want to join our community, if you want to join our Kaching Secrets family, then you are welcome to register on our landing page. It's bit.ly/KS-FIC22. So just go to this website, enter your email, enter your name, and then you will be updated. We will send you some bonus material. So we will send you all the spreadsheet. We will send you all the links that you need. And we will answer your questions if you drop us a line. And you can be part of our Kaching Secrets from Zero to Hero investing community, which is women only. So if you're a man, I'm sorry, man, we're currently just creating a space for women and creating a safe place for women where women can ask their questions. Now we get into the doing part of setting up our account on Trading 212. So we're starting up a pie. We're setting up a pie. Where are we? Here we go. So we're opening up Trading 212. You're just logging into the website. It's called demo.trading212.com. And from there, you could also switch into the real money account. And if you never opened Trading 212, you will see this screen here. First of all, you have to set up your funds. If you're doing nothing, I think this is at 50,000. You should be as realistic in your demo account as you will be in your real investing account. So that means just to reset this account here and enter the amount of money that you're planning to invest in the future as well. Some of you may ask yourself, what about the 75 euro? So we decided to go in with 75 euro only. But you have to reinvest on a regular basis. So you have to reinvest every week. And you could just take now 100 euro, for example, put it into the account, and then top it up every time when you're investigating your investments. The disadvantage for that is either you're funding your account, you're transferring money to this account on a regular basis. But if you're doing this on a bank transfer, that takes 2 to 3 days. So this is a disadvantage of that. Or if you're going by credit card, it's only free up to an amount of 2,000. So this could be done for the first time, for the first few, let's say for the first few times that you want to invest. That's how I did it. I'm always transferring only the amount of money through my credit card that I'm planning to invest into my pie. I will put into this account 5,000 for now. So let's do it with 5,000. And if you're switching over to your real investing account, then you could start with 75 or with 50 even, or with 100. It doesn't matter. But for now, we're starting with 5,000. If we are investing on a monthly basis with 75, then we will be able to invest for 66 times. So that should be a reasonable amount to invest for a certain period of time. Good. Having set up this account value with 5,000, and I could show you that in the real, I will do that if you like, just drop us a line, drop us a comment. Please show us how it's going in the real amount, in the real investing, real money account. Then I will show you that in the real investing account, how you do that with transferring the money on a credit card, on a bank account, whatever it is. So let's dive in, create a pie. It may be that our lesson today, our session today takes a bit longer. So be prepared to take more than 15 to 20 minutes maybe. I'm creating just a pie by clicking on the right pane here, create a pie. So build your pie, it's just straightforward, add instruments. And now the window shows me, here I can search for any ticker that is included in Trading 212. Be prepared. I have experienced that from our clients, from some of our clients, that at the beginning you may not have all the tickers available in your account that I have here available. This is due to some regulations that Trading 212 has set up for themselves. So you may be able just to enter here some tickers that are not available, that are available for me. And one of them is, let's start with Bio. This is the company Bio-Rad Laboratories. So the symbol is, and as you can see here, we have two symbols here. We're taking the one without an additional letter in it. So I'm clicking here on the plus, and then I'm taking the next company, which will be FB, which is Meta Platforms, the Facebook company. They just recently changed their name. So FB is the second one that I've researched, and I want to add it today. So let's look up another one. So we're in total, we are creating today a pie with up to 5 companies. Then let's say DHI is also accompanied, and I'm adding here. Now we have 3 companies, and for now I'm satisfied, and I go to next. And as you can see here now, it automatically splits up the target. So whatever I'm investing now into my pie, into my basket, I'm investing 30. It will get split it up, and I'm investing 34% here, 33% here, 33% here. I can freely adjust this. The only thing that I have to ensure is that it's always 100%. So if I'm going here to 50, you will see here the total is 116. That's impossible. So I've got to go back here to 34. Or if I want to stay at 50 here, because this company is better or I am more convinced of it, then you can do 23 here and 27 here, for example. So that's up to you. For now, I will keep 33 in DHI, 34 in Meta, and 33 in Bio-Rad. And now you will realize, and that confused me the first time when I opened a pie as well, I cannot click to the next button. And this is because you have to name your pie first on the left here. By the way, here you see also the average return, annual return based on a 5-year historical market performance. So that's a number that's nice to have, but it's basically useless. The name here, let's call it the pie challenge. I call it basket. And now I can click on next. The next question that's been asked is, do you want to auto invest or do you want to invest manually? Auto invest is, if you're switching to auto invest, you can define an amount of money that should be invested on a monthly basis. But as we are investing more or less, depending on the prices, if they are going up or down, we would like to invest manually. So, pie challenge basket, view the pie or invest now. We would like to invest now. And now here is the decision. How much money would we like do you like to invest? We go here to 75. And there in the bottom part here, you see the amount of money that will be invested and how it will be spread over the stocks here. I always choose here self-balancing, because this gives me the opportunity, if some of the stocks have made profits, I will take those profits. And if some of them have made losses, I will top up the losses so that the balance within the pie is always maintained. So that in this case, Bio-Red is 33%, Dr. Horton is 33%, and Meta is 34%. And if this is changing, so if, for example, if Meta is going up, it's in the price. So if it's at the end of the day, it's 30 euro, for example, and Dr. Horton is 20 euro, then these percentages are differing. And that's what we don't want. We will always want to rebalance it. And this is done by choosing self-balancing here. Then I go to confirm buy. And the system now is investing into my companies. And as you may see, I immediately have here a loss of 50 cents. And this is due to the spread. The spread is the price that you pay. There's always a buy and a sell price. If I would like to buy a stock on a stock market, it is a market, then I'm bidding on a certain stock, and there is a bid price and an ask price. And I am buying for the bid price and I am selling for the ask price. And the gap between those two is a spread. And this is why I'm losing money immediately, because someone is selling the stock for, let's say, 100, but at the same time, the best offer from someone else to buy it back is at maybe 99.5. And this way I'm losing 50 cents immediately if I'm selling immediately, but we don't want to sell immediately. We just want to wait what's happening until the next session with our first investment. And that was basically it. What I'm doing now is I am going to the spreadsheet, and remember the number here, 74.16. 74.16. I'm entering here my date. So the current date is 14/1, 2022. The Pi 1 balance before investing is nothing. The amount invested at the day is 75. The extra amount paid into the account is nothing, or you can put in here our 5,000, and the cash reserve then is what was it? The cash reserve is also important to look it up. We'll switch back to that's something you can see here. It's called the free funds. So free funds is 4,925. Good. And that's it basically for today. So this is what I have to do today. The next thing that I will do, that I have to do, is in our next session, we will investigate our pie, we will top it up, we'll add another company, and we have a bonus session. So usually our 5-day challenge is ending today, but we have decided to do a bonus session tomorrow. So at Saturday, we will do another session at 5 p.m. where we will run through everything one more time in a quick recap session, and you will have the possibility to ask your question, and we will get them answered. Your homework until the next session is to set up a pie accordingly to the instructions that we gave you today, to add companies that you like personally. So please don't take our companies as an advice. Go your personal way, and then invest the amount of money that you have on a monthly basis available in your account. Use the demo account first, because there you cannot lose any money. You just can experience the feeling of what it feels like making money and how this system and the whole approach is working for you. All right, that was the 5-day Invest Yourself to Freedom with a Pie challenge. And I'm really glad that you have made it so far, that you have joined us, that you have committed to yourself, have committed yourself to learn, to stick with us. And as said before, tomorrow we will go online one more time. If you would like to stay in the loop, then go to our website, register there. We will send you all the bonus material. We will send you all the things that you need. And tomorrow I have a special for you, because we have also a list of companies that we have investigated. It's called our golden menu. And there you will find a weekly or regularly updated list with investment opportunities. We're issuing this list, and I will tell you more about this tomorrow. But for now, register on our website if you want to get the bonus material, all the links, all the spreadsheets, all the information that you need. Go to bit.ly/ks-fic22. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. And as we always say every time when we're making money, we're taking our profits, and then we are doing our ka-ching move. So ka-ching! See you tomorrow. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.